Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to select formatting style on the Notability application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. And now you should select a note from the all notes section, or you are free to create a new one by clicking on this icon in the right side corner of the screen down below. So if you want to select the formatting style or these features, click on the second icon in the middle of the screen. And now, as you can see, you have many options. You can put your text into bold, italicize it, or underline it. You can change the size of the text and the font as well. There are a vast variety of options here, so click on the relevant one that you would like to use. And if you want to save it, you need to press this button. So here you can add three options, A, B, and C, each indicating a distinct or a particular font. So you are ready to add three of these, and you can change them anytime by clicking on the relevant letter. So that is pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.